Hi, in this video we're going to talk about possessive case pronouns, and possessive case are the ones that show ownership. Just like we talked about a little bit in chapter 1, possessives are showing ownership. So when you're looking at the its, make sure you do not put the apostrophe in there. The apostrophe makes it is, and that's not the ownership one. So these are your possessive case pronouns. My, mine, our, ours, your, yours, his, hers, her, its, their, and theirs. Quite a few of them. Let's take a look at a couple examples here. Mine is the report with graphs and color. Mine is your pronoun, and mine does show ownership, so that makes it a possessive. The company opened its 5th store. Its is the pronoun, and the its without the apostrophe shows possessive form. The shareholders vote for their new board of directors. There is the pronoun, and we just talked about their board of directors. It's showing ownership, so that makes it a possessive pronoun. Any verb form that ends in an ing and that's used as a noun is called a gerund. Pronouns that modify these gerunds are in the possessive case. So if you see the ing, that'll help give you a hint that the pronoun modifying that is possessive. So her talking about the merger violated the confidentiality agreement. You'll see talking on the verb, and her is the pronoun that modifies it. That will tell you that it is a possessive pronoun. His dealing with the situation, so promptly please means the second example. Dealing is your verb that ends in an ing, that's your gerund, and his is the pronoun that modifies it, that shows possession. So that makes it your possessive pronoun. Let's take a look at the try it here. And for this one, the first one is Jane's explanation of treating a burn is very clear. And the pronoun you would use for Jane would be her. So her explanation for treating the burn is very clear. On number 2, patients need to have patients' questions answered before going into surgery. And the pronoun you would use in place here would be their. They need to have their questions. Number 3, belonging to you, cardiac team is the best in the hospital. Belonging to you, the pronoun for that is your. And then number 4, in parentheses, we have Dr. Sophia Smith, and the pronoun we would use for that is her. And number 5, Don's is in parentheses. The pronoun you would use would be his. And the last one there, Abigail's, is the noun that's in parentheses, and the pronoun we would use would be hers. So that's it for the possessive case, and we'll have a few more videos here in a little bit.